deactivate my TikTok, dog. Change my number, dog. Delete my WhatsApp, dog. I don't have nothing to do with WhatsApp. You see me? Yeah, dog. In real life, bro. Anybody want to link me, know them there. Anybody want to link me, know me there. Who could I do people in a life, bro? Who could I do people in a life? I got you worse already, you know. I got you worse already. Yeah, dog. I got you worse already, bro. Bro. That's why I say, yo, reach a point, dog. People don't really know how to fight. In front judge and then say on one count, you know, dog. At 35 years, they offer me on one count, you know. You see me? Judge say, yo, one count of first degree murder, 35 to life. Then they say manslaughter, 15 to 25 at minimum. And I look, dog, and I look back for my youth. My mind is a flashback for my youth, dog. Tears run down in my eye for my eye in a courthouse. And I say, Jaja, I really this me put my life on. You see me? But God make me pass through this, so brother. So why me I go make TikTok when me reach back there, so? Why me I make one app make me reach back there, so? No, dog, you know my brother. No, my dog. Delete all this app, your dog. Get to me, bro. You see me? Get to me, dog, bro. Me have a bed, you know, dog. Me have a house, you know. I can't sleep anytime, bro. Me not short of nothing, dog. So I'm not gonna make people. I'm gonna give up my freedom for certain things, dog. No, dog. You see me? No, yo, you know, if you understand, no, dog. I know you not get it beat, you know, dog. I know you not get it, you know, dog. I know you not get it, dog. You see me? What do you me forward out, you know? I show enough people don't know, you know. What do you tell me forward out, you know, bro? They look out thing I go and me talk, you know. You see me? A police forward at me yard, you know. I don't know who send police at me yard, you know. A police forward at me yard, but what they could come in at my house. Because they forward to search my house, they can't come in at my house. They don't forward a search warrant. I'm call my lawyer same way, because I end the day I still have my lawyer. I must say no. You see me? Two people don't know that. I feel like some boy, I go up on YouTube, go watch Blood Clot. Go watch some video and laugh. Yeah, dog. I'm buying my cigarette and smoke my cigarette and buy my beer and smoke me and drink my beer. If I want one and say I want one rum, I buy me rum and drink me rum and play with the music. See, time I make music come clip me live, me start spend the time up and call me youth. So me used to burn 5 hours on Tik Tok. Me start burn 5 hours on the phone with me youth. Me will call him, put on my phone and we laugh and chat and make sure saying homework done. You see me? Yeah man. That me will do. My real life, dog. When the day when you move up, you know, my youth I go still did it, you know. My youth I go still did it, man. You see me? Bro, me and man, if me and your power, brother, I feel like you keep it that real with me, dog. I mean, you keep it real with the dog. If me feel like say me different in a real life, bro. If me feel like say me got a road dog, anything pop off me, different the dog. If I up on the social media, dog, me have to defend up on the social media. Because I can't defend in a real life, dog, and watch them tear down on the media. No, dog. Me will defend you right through, anywhere, anyhow. You see me? Me will defend you. I saw me feel like say your friendship figure, dog, and I saw me keep my friendship, bro. I can't apart with the dog and watch people kill a dog and turn up and watch people kill her, bro. That don't make no sense to me. You see me? That don't make no sense to me, bro. Bro, if I'm on the media, bro, me will defend up on the media, dog. If I'm in a real life, bro, me will defend in a real life, dog. Anywhere, dog. Any player at any time. You see me? I say go, bro, you can't just say, yo, you're apart with your friend and watch people tear down your friend, bro. Or you watch people tear down your family, dog, and you just sit down there, bro. And relax, dog. I can't watch people tear down, dog, and just sit down and chat to your dog and laugh, bro. I can't do that, bro. If I say you're my G, you're my dog. If I say you're my brother. You see me? You know, a whole heap of people, you know. You know, a whole heap of people wish death over my life still, you know. But I ain't the idea that not happen. You know, a whole heap of people wish whole heap of bad, but I ain't the idea that not happen. That not happen, brother. Come on for social media, man. Too much go on, bro, in a real life. Bro, I'm a man, you know, dog. You never see me fall down and posted no gun and anything, you know, dog. Bro, I'm a young guy now. I'm the young guy, you know. And let me tell me I drive, you know. My back seat full of gun, you know. Plus me have 2 guns on my lap, you say, you know. Plus in your side, and I go gloves compartment, you know. And handrest full of clip, you know. Yeah, bro, me younger dog, me also do some things that I like. I'm wise up, bro. I'm wise up, bro. I'm thank God say, I'm there, I see him way. You see me? There, I see him, man. I'm wise up, dog. No, my brother look one more and tell me, say. But at time for you start killing enough of them off, you know, dog. Better you go do it time more than kill, you know. Me I say, dog, I'm not even meds that, dog. I know what you choose in life you get, you know. I know what you choose in life you get, man. That. Life ups and down, you know. You see me? I lock back in my circle, dog, and just know, say, you know, do me thing, yeah, man. Yesterday, I got work. I'm going to work yesterday. This morning, I say I got work. I wake up from 4, about 4:30. By the time I reach 10 minutes in my journey after 5. Car tire flat. Tell you car tire flat. And now I don't reach a work. I don't know what this. But I'll know me not reach a work. It dog gone a BMW, you know. See them come. Sitting car. You know when I log, the dog never get to sit and pull off the tire, to pull off the log sitting. So the dog beat off it this morning. BMW just come look on the car. Yeah, bro, we just start, go walk, come in and relax.